Hello, it's Salimik. Have you pushed the gas pedal and the engine lags before RPM gets higher? Well, in today's video, we're gonna see what caused that problem. It's not a long time I have cleaned fuel injectors, so it's not fuel injectors causing that problem. And the ignition coils are fine, because we don't have any check engine light on. I'm expecting to be something wrong with the spark plug wires or the spark plugs. So let's go ahead and remove spark plug cover, and then spark plug wires. The first thing we can notice, they are soaked in oil. Oil on spark plug will cause misfire. High voltage will leak to the engine's body because the spark plug wire is not fully isolated. There is a conductive material between spark plug wire and the engine's body, allowing high voltage to get past instead of sending all the high voltage to the spark plugs. Let's remove the spark plugs. I have replaced them a while back, so we're just gonna clean them. Whenever you see oil on spark plug holes, it means the engine cover gasket leaking oil into the spark plug holes. So I had to remove the cover and replace the gasket real quick. All the spark plugs out, we're gonna clean them later. Let's put the shop towel here and clean the spark plug wires. They must be clean and dry, so we don't have misfiring issue. Make sure to clean the outside and the inside with a choke cleaner or a carb cleaner. Next, we're gonna clean the spark plug holes so we don't have that problem again when we put the wires back. Next, we're gonna put some gasoline in my ultrasonic cleaner so we can clean the spark plugs. You can clean them with carb cleaner as well, but it's been requested in my previous video, so I was curious to see how it's gonna clean the spark plugs. This ultrasonic cleaner turns off after 3 minutes. I'm gonna turn it on 2 more times again so we can clean them for 9 minutes. With a powerful ultrasonic cleaner, it's recommended to put the cleaning object in the basket so it doesn't touch with the bottom of ultrasonic cleaner. But in my case, it's 20-watt ultrasonic cleaner and it's not that problem. Alright, it's been after 9 minutes, let's take the spark plugs out. For a cheap 20-watt ultrasonic cleaner, it's very good. We haven't even used brush and cleaned it that much. Next, I like to spray it with carb cleaner. It really helps with getting it dry faster. Alright, spark plugs clean and dry, let's put them back. Try not to drop them in spark plug hole to prevent bending the tip. A curved turn is enough for tightening the spark plug if you don't have a torque wrench. Alright, we are almost done. Let's put the spark plug wires back and then the cover. Alright, moment of truth. Let's turn on the engine and test it out. So, leaking that much oil in spark plug hole causes that problem, and it was an easy fix by cleaning spark plugs and replacing engine cover gasket to prevent from happening again. Hope the video was helpful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.